scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from BRAHMAM, class 48. Today we are going through another familiar chakra, that is Sree Chakra. It is like this. So, through this chakra also, they are explaining the structure of the universe, structure of our planetary system, structure of this atom, everything. About this universe itself, everything in this universe, that is explained in a nutshell in the form of a chakra, that is Sree Chakra. What all things that we see so far through Nrisimha Purvatapi Upanishad, 5th Upanishad, Sukta 2, that we have already seen, and what all things that is given in this Sukta is applicable in this Sree Chakra also. So, let us go through that Sutta. And based on this, and also based on other things, we can explain this Sree Chakra.
നൃസിംഹ പൂർവ താപന്യുപനിഷത്തിൽ 5ാം ഉപനിഷത്തിൽ 2ാം മന്ത്രം. ഏതത് സുദർശനം മഹാചക്രം തസ്യ മധ്യേ നാഭ്യാം താരകം ഭവതി യദക്ഷരം നാരസിംഹം ഏകാക്ഷരം തദ്ഭവതി ഷട്സു പത്രേഷു ഷഡക്ഷരം സുദർശനം ഭവതി അഷ്ടസു പത്രേഷു അഷ്ടാക്ഷരം നാരായണം ഭവതി ദ്വാദശസു പത്രേഷു ദ്വാദശാക്ഷരം വാസുദേവം ഭവതി ഷോഡശു പത്രേഷു മാതൃകാദ്യാ സബിന്ദുകാ ഷോഡശകലാ ഭവതി ദ്വാത്രിംശത്സു പത്രേഷു ദ്വാത്രിംശദക്ഷരം മന്ത്രരാജ നാരസിംഹം അനുഷ്ഠുഭം ഭവതി.
As per this, there are 4 outermost depths, that represents the 4 Vedas, through which we should enter into this chakra. That means we will get all the knowledge about this universe if we enter to this 4 Vedas. So Veda means the full science behind this universe. So modern science is a part of it. Now, at the center there is a dot. That is the starting point of creation. As per Veda, it is BRAHMAM, which cannot be defined in any way, without any shape or any quality. That is BRAHMAM. From this universe was created. Then comes a triangle with 3 sides. That represents 3 gunas. All this universe are created based on the basic 3 gunas or laws. As per modern science, it is Newton's 1st, 2nd and 3rd law. Everybody has a tendency to continue in his state. If we want to move from this point to another higher level, we should apply force. When we apply force or do any karma, there is a negative. That is reaction. That is Newton's 3rd law. Here it is Sattva Guna, stationary, present state. Rajo Guna, when we act. Tamo Guna, the negative of it. So that is represented by three gunas based on which this universe was created. In the case of universe, there are three universes formed: Earth, above Earth, that is Akash or sky, below Earth, that is underworld. So there are three worlds. In the case of our planetary system or life, there are three gunas, that is, everything is based on three gunas that resulted in past, present, and future. In the case of atom, there are Trispuda. Everything is created from these three things: electron, proton, and neutron. Trispuda Chandas. That is the triangle. Then there comes 8, 10. There are 9 triangles in inverted direction. That means, as per Veda, as per astrology, in the case of universe or in the case of our planetary system, there are now 9 planets. 5 male, 5 female, and 4 male. That is 9 planets. Male and female will change depend on the condition of certain parents. So generally speaking, male and female triangles, 5 and 4 in opposite direction, because everything is created in dual. That contains Rahu and Ketu also. So it is the structure of Rahu and Ketu related with the structure of the universe. So this 9 represent the structure of the universe, and as far as our planetary systems are concerned, it is the 9 planets. And in the case of atom, these 9 triangles crosses each other, which resulted in the form of 43 small triangles. That 43 contains 32 plus 11. That is, in the case of atom, there are 11 types of sets of rudras, or the atom can be classified into 11 sets. So 11 type of rudras are there, or nucleuses are there, around which 32. 32 plus 11 is 43. 43 triangles, small triangles. So 11 sets of nucleus or rudras are there, around which electrons are distributed in such a way based on Anishtub Chandas. Anishtub contains 32 letters. That means these electrons are filled in 4 subgroups or azimuthal quantum number, that is S, P, D, and F, that we have already seen. In S there is 2, in P 6, in D 10, and F 40, altogether 32. So 32 electrons are arranged in 4 sub-levels. 4 quantum, different types of quantum levels are there. So it is the electronic configuration of atom. So then comes around this, there are 8 petals. We have already seen the 8 petals. That means this universe is controlled by Ashtadikpalaka. That lords controlling the 8 direction, north to south, east with northeast likewise. 8 directions are there, and that is Ashtadikpalaka. This is controlling the universe. We can also think about 8 as octet rule. That is Ashtadikpalaka. There should be 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Maximum number of electrons in the outermost orbit is 8. And atom should contain 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. So to get it, all the atoms are combining, try to combine with other atom to form new products by which this universe was created. So beyond that, there is 16 petals. This 16 petals represents the 16 gunas that are controlling the universe. 16 gunas. All the gunas. For example, some of the gunas are compassion, patience, justice, impartiality, detachment, likewise dance, culture, everything, music, everything. Like 16 gunas are the 16 qualities of this universe. It includes all music, dance, impartiality, justice, patience, likewise detachment, and likewise there are 60 that we can go through the, that we can see if we type 16 gunas in the net, we will get all the gunas. So there are 16 petals which shows the 16 gunas of this universe. In this universe there are 60, all the qualities, positive qualities are represented by these 16 gunas. And Krishna possesses, that is the only avatar which possesses all these qualities. 16 kalas, it is called kalas. 16 kalas. Through which all the qualities that can be seen in this universe are explained. That is Sree Chakra, this one. So everything is there in this Sree Chakra.